Hello, children. A hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Topic Grammar. So, children, in this session, we are going to learn about grammar. In Hindi, we will call it as Vyakaran. For grammar, we will call as Vyakaran in Hindi. So, in this session, we are going to learn some Hindi Vyakaran, Hindi grammar. Okay, children? So, let's move on to the session, children. What we are going to see in grammar this week is conjunctions. Okay, children, we are going to see about the conjunctions. Surely you must have learned conjunctions in English grammar, right, children? Conjunctions are those words or set of words that connects two words or sentences or used to coordinate words in the same clause, right, children? We will be having two sentences, but that will be related to each other. Then we can use some type of conjunctions to relate that sentence or coordinate that sentence and make it into one. Why we are doing it? Do you know, children? Because it shortens the sentences without a change in meaning or sense. It shortens the sentences. We have two sentences, right? And we are combining it to one sentence. So we are shortening the sentence, but we are not changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay, we'll see the definition in Hindi. Conjunctions ऐसे शब्द होते हैं जो दो शब्दों या वाक्यों को जोड़ देते हैं. इस तरह वाक्य भी छोटा हो जाता है और अर्थ भी नहीं बदलता. Sentences are shortened, but there is no change in the meaning. अगर मैं कहूँ, for example, राम अच्छा है और फिर कहूँ मोहन भी अच्छा है. So, I am taking example of two sentences. Ram अच्छा है. Ram is a good person. And the next sentence is Mohan भी अच्छा है. Mohan is also a good person. So, when both are good persons, why can't we make it into one sentence? So, when it is combined, we will call as Ram और मोहन अच्छे हैं. राम अच्छा है, मोहन भी अच्छा है. These are the two sentences which we are combining into राम और मोहन अच्छे हैं. So, here Ram is good, Mohan is good, and we are combining the sentences using and. Ram and Mohan are good. So, there is no change in the meaning, but sentences is shortened. Okay, children? So, there are three types of conjunctions. We'll call it as coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Okay, children? There are three types of conjunctions. First, we'll go through coordinating conjunctions and the examples for coordinating conjunctions with which we will combine the sentences are for, and, neither, nor, but, or, yet, so. So, these are the coordinating conjunction examples. Okay. So, next one is correlative conjunctions. Here we are using the sentences like the words like either or. First, what we are using to combine the sentences are either or. The second one is not only but also. Not only but also. Third one is neither nor. Fourth one is both and. Fifth one is whether or. Sixth one is as. Seventh one is as much as. Eighth one is no sooner than. And ninth one is rather than. So, next one is subordinating conjunctions, children. Here, there are many words which we are using to combine the sentences like after, although, as far as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even if, even though. There are etc. etc. So many words which we are using for subordinating conjunctions. Okay, children. So, we will see all these conjunctions in Hindi also. Shall we move on to the examples, children? Yes. First one, you can see here, we are combining using and or. Okay, we are using either and or. राम और श्याम अच्छे दोस्त हैं. This is the first example. राम और श्याम अच्छे दोस्त हैं. So here we are using or. The example is or. Next is या we are using. Okay, like आप ये या वो किताब ले सकते हैं. You may take this book or that book. We are using or, right, children, in English. In place of that, in Hindi, we are using ya. Okay, so in place of and in English, we are using or, and in place of or in English, we are using ya. This is the first example for you, children. Next, but. We are using the sentence, we are using the word but to combine the sentence. In Hindi, in place of but, we are using lekin, balki, sivai, par, parantu. All these words you can use. Okay, children. For example, first one is राम और श्याम अच्छे दोस्त हैं, लेकिन वे एक दूसरे से लड़ते हैं. Ram and Shyam are good friends, but they fight with each other. Okay, we are using but here. And in Hindi we are using लेकिन. Okay, children. वह बहुत समझदार है, लेकिन वो गरीब है. Second example is he is very intelligent, but he is poor. Okay, children. Next we are using bulky. In English, you can call it as but itself, but in Hindi, we are using bulky. Okay, ये पेन नहीं बल्कि पेंसिल है. This is not a pen, but a pencil. Next, राम बेवकूफ़ नहीं है बल्कि एक समझदार लड़का है. Ram is not a fool, but a wise guy. उसे डांटा नहीं गया बल्कि पीटा गया. He was not scolded but beaten. Fourth example, children. मुझे पेन नहीं बल्कि पेंसिल दी गई थी. I had not been given a pen but a pencil. Okay, children. So we are using bulky here and next example is, children, for, as, because, since. For all these words in Hindi we are using kyunki. We are using क्योंकि. ओके, जब भी वाक्य में क्योंकि का प्रयोग होता है तो इन चारों में से किसी भी एक का प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, पर एक महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि क्योंकि के लिए बिकॉज का प्रयोग केवल वाक्य के बीच में होता है और सिंस का प्रयोग केवल वाक्य के शुरुआत में होता है. फॉर ऑल दीज वर्ड्स वी कैन यूज क्योंकि, बट व्हेन यू राइट इट इन इंग्लिश we will use because only in the middle of the sentence, and if we are using since for combining two sentences, then we will use it in the beginning of the sentence. Okay children, if you are using because to combine the two sentences, you will use it in the middle of the sentence, and if you are using since, then you can use it in the starting of the sentence or beginning of the sentence. Okay, क्योंकि मैं बीमार था इसलिए मैं नहीं आया. Since I was not well, hence I didn't come. मैं नहीं आया क्योंकि मैं बीमार था. I didn't come for I was unwell. So these are combining same two sentences in two different ways. We are using since at the beginning of the sentence and for in the middle of the sentence. Okay children, so these are the some words for conjunctions we are using in Hindi. I hope you understood the words. There are many more words which we can use for conjunctions and we will discuss it later children. So be sure to give some examples for what you have learned here today. I will check out the examples in the next session. Thank you children.